Review, and then we're going to do something new. So today I'm going to start with something Enza's already done. We're going to solve and compare these two expressions. So on your paddle boards, work these two problems out. Okay, let me see your paddles. Amy, what did you get for the first one?
I got 36 because I did 3 times 2.
You got 26,
No, 36.
36.
3 times 2, and I did that. And then 3 times 2 times 6.
So you got 3 times 2 is 6,
Yes. And then I times 6 by 6.
is 36. What about this one?
39.
39. Anybody else get anything different? Tell me how you got 39, Amy.
I did 6 times 2 is 12. And I did 12 times 3.
What is 3 times 12?
39.
3 times 2 is,
That's 36. Oh. Yeah.
anybody get 36 for both?
I got 36.
Yes, it's 36 for both. Amy, did you see what you done?
Yeah.
Well, we got two different problems. Looks two different problems, but it actually ain't, is it? They are comparable. They're comparable problems, expressions. Did it make a difference with the parentheses? No, not in this one. Why? Because it's all multiply. Let's go to the next one. Let's try this one. We're just going to solve. We're not going to compare. Adam, what'd you get? 39. Anybody else get 39? No? Adam, tell me what you done first. Is what? Bring everything down. Now what? Okay. Is what? Six times 11. Now what would happen if we didn't go by the order or operation? So let's do that. 3 times 2. 6.
Plus 6 plus 5.
What would it be?
17. That'd be 7. That'd be 17. 6 plus 6 equals 12. And 12 plus 5 equals 17. I think. Yeah.
It'll be like that, Amy? Or are you saying 17 total?
Yes, we did total. We did, oh, no. I did that wrong. Well, 3 times 2 equals 6.
So we just done 5 times 3. And we add 6 would be what?
21, yes. 21 times 2 equals 42.
See what I done? If I didn't go by the parentheses, I just said, okay, let's just do this one. Let's do multiply. See the answer's so much different? We have to do the parentheses first. We have to do the order of operation. Three times 6 times 4 plus 4. Happy, what'd you get? 144? Anybody not get 144? Abby, tell me what you done first. Is what? Then what? You done this one next, 4 plus 4, and 18 times 8 is
144.
Now what would have happened if I didn't do that order operation? Say I done 6 times 4. And 3 times that, plus 4. What would that be? 3 times 24. 52 plus 4.
56.
It is very important to do order of operation. Always do your parentheses first. This one, it says write an expression. What does it mean when I say write an expression? What am I looking for?
Write a problem.
Holden, what am I looking for?
You're writing a problem to solve.
Just writing the problem. Marco had 22 baseball cards. He gave 6 away. Then he bought 11 more. Not yet. Jacob, come up here and put what you put on your paddle. You can bring it with you.
Put it down.
Okay. We have 22 minus 6 plus 11.
Can I go back to my seat?
Yes. Everybody get that? So Marco had 22. He gave away 6. And he bought 11 more. And I like because you put your parentheses. Very good. Very good. Looks like everybody did, pretty much. 10 to the fourth power. So how many times would I times my 10?
10 times 10 times 10 times 10.
Because it said to the fourth power. So 10 times 10 is what?
100.
Is what?
1,000. Oh, 1 times 100 is 10,000.
Why would I not just said 40,000?
Because you're not doing 4 times 10,000.
Because you're not doing.
10 times 4.
So when you see that power, you're not going to multiply it by this number. You're going to just multiply that number by itself this many times. Derek, do you understand? 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. Also, you can look at it and say, well, that's 4, so how many zeros do I need?
4.
4 zeros. Holden, did you get that? What did you get? 4,000? When you see that, this number here, and your power, you don't times it. You times that number times itself. Okay? So if you see a 10 and you say 4, say 4 zeros, okay? Let's do another one. $545 times 4. Do I have any volunteers want to come up and work? Jocelyn? $2,180. Everybody get that?
Yep.
4 times 5? 20. 4 times 4?
18.
4 times 5?
20 plus 1 is 21.
$9,084 times 42. Holden, can you come up more? Holding got 54,328. Everybody get that? No? Okay. Let's work it out together. 4 times 2. 2 times 8. 2 times 0. 2 times 9. 18. Holden got it right there. Let's see. 4 times 4. 4 times 8. 4 times 0. 4 times 9. 6 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1. 8 plus 3. 38,000. 381,528. Did everybody get that? Holden? I think you missed it right here. Multiplying, wasn't it?
I didn't put 4 times 8. Is what I thought.
We got the 4 times 8.
Yeah.
Everybody see where they missed it? Take it.
I accidentally put a 2 right here and I got 4 right here.
Yeah. So you mismultiplied?
Yeah.
40 divided by 10. Got it? Look at it. Let's talk to him. And with the song. Multiply. 4 times 10. Huh? 40. 40 here? No. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. See what you was messing up? It's simple. We're going to divide using base 10. You may know what base 10 is? I'm going to change this one. So don't pay attention to this one. Let's do 134 divided by 12. We got a base 10 and it is a cube. Usually a cube is what? 100.
stick, it's a 10, a block.
One is a 10. So if I needed to get to 12, how many 1 by 10s do I need? So I got 10 here. 2. Everybody see how I done that? It's like 10, 11, 12. Now we're going to try to get to 134.
Well, all I have is 100 here, so you can make 100.
We got 100 here. I'm not a very good drawer. So we'll pretend this is 100. Okay? What would I need if I went 100, 10, 20,
And another stick. So 30.
do 1, because that's a 1 by 10. How many 1s would I need here?
4.
You see how I done that? This is called an array. Adam, you look confused. So we're trying to get 134. So this is 100. So we've got 10, 110, 120, 130. And how many ones? 134. So now how would I divide this? By looking at this, how would I get this answer? Hold it. Anybody know? Olivia? Abby? So if this is 10, what would this be? What is it? 1? Olivia? What is this? One? Is it 1 by 10? So it's how many? 1. 10 plus 1 is? Everybody looks confused. Let's do another one. So what would I start with when I do my array?
100, right here. Big here. And you're gonna put 6, 10, 6 in each.
6 here. So remember, I got it. I'm just getting the 4 on the side here. 14 of me. We're gonna start with the 14 because that's my divisor. So how many 10s do I need here?
1, 5. You're gonna need 5. If you're starting with 14, like
4. Because why? Because this is 14. I've got 10 here. Yeah, we're working on this number here first. We got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now how many, Amy, do I need on this side? Now I'm trying to get this. 100.
100 first.
So this is 100. 10, 120, 130, 140. So how many 10s do I need here? 2. So how many 1s do I need?
8.
Everybody see what I'm doing? This line here, you're getting your divisor. 14. We'll say this is 10 right here. You got 10, 10s here. That's 14. Does that make sense? Now we're going to try to get this number. So we're going to go this way. So it'd be, now we're going to count the whole cube. 100. And we're going 110, 120, 130, 140, 50, 160, and then our ones. Now we're going to try to get our answer out of this picture.
Okay, I think I have.
We're going to add to get our answer. So this is what again?
14.
This one right here. We're just looking at this square. 10. How many ones? 10 plus 2 is?
That's really confusing.
It is confusing. If you, let me go to the page. 1 by 10, right? Just like these. So we put our divisor here. You got 10 and 2 1s. That's what they're saying. So when you're going to trying to get this number here, now you're going to count the whole thing as 100, 10, 120, 130. And then how many ones? 2. So if I go back and count this as a 10, and this is as a ones, because I'm trying to find the ones place, it's 11. Let's do this one. So we're trying to find the 14. They've already got it drawn for us. So they got the 100, well, the 10s here, and 10s here. Well, it'd be ones here. And you got 10s here. And you got your 8 ones.
That'd be,
So this was 10s, right?
plus 2.
Plus 2.
Okay, so that,
It's confusing.
I think I know how to do this. Can I quickly add line with my head?
Well, do this one right here. 192 divided by 16. See if we can do this on our own. Just draw this. Don't worry about this up here yet. Just draw your array. Don't worry about these blocks here yet. So what would I draw first?
These are your 100.
Then what?
Then you would make, you would make the 9, no, 2, no, I mean,
How many 10s would I draw? Or ones? Would I draw 9 there? Because you still got to do it here. 6? You think 6?
yeah, I put 6, but I'm confusing myself now.
Now what, Olivia? What would you think? you got 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 160. And you're saying draw 3 more? Or 2? 3 more? And then how many ones?
2. So the answer will be 10 plus 3.
So if you want the answer now, would be what, Olivia? Remember, this is
10 plus 3.
Does everybody understand a little bit more?
No, I did.
No? Do 190 divided by 14. So what do I do first, Adam? 100. But I'm trying to find which number, 990 or the 14 on this side? The 14. So how many ones do I need now? I'm trying to find 14. Say this is 10. 4. You see that? Now we're going to try to find the 190. So now we're going to say this is 100 and this is 10. So it'll be 100, 10, 120, 130, 140. So I'm trying to get to 190. So how many more 10s do I need? No, all we're doing was, see this is 100 block, so I'm taking a piece of that 100 and saying it's a 10. So we're trying to find the 14. So we found the 10, now we got to find the ones. All we're doing is breaking it apart. Basically, we're breaking that number apart. And then we're breaking this apart. Okay? Would I have anything here?
No, because this is 0.
Holden?
Why wouldn't you set 4 on whatever plus 4?
Tell me again.
Why wouldn't you set 4 on whatever plus the last number and 14?
Set 4 where?
Like 4 ones.
That's what that's representing. So we're breaking apart the 14. We're saying a part of the 100 is 10. And we're saying a part of these is 1. And that's your 4 ones. Does that make more sense? Now we're breaking apart this. So we got to add all this up to get to 190. But if it said 193, we'd have 3 ones. You see what I'm saying? All I'm doing is I'm breaking it apart. And once you break it apart, then you can add those 2 and you'll get what? Amy, what do you do when you add those 2? You get the answer. All we're doing was breaking it apart. We're breaking apart the 14, and then we're breaking apart the 190.
So like, when you chose 14, the lowest number goes first, right?
Yes. This side of your array is breaking your divisor apart. Does that make more sense?
Yeah.
A little bit? You want to do another one on your own?
Yes.
So what property is that when we break it apart? You may remember? Abby? Distributive. So that's basically what we're doing. We're just breaking this stuff apart. We're distributing it out into what they're calling a array. Adam, tell me what to do first. So because what I'm trying to do right now, what am I breaking apart? 13. Holden, what's next? I'm breaking apart the 13.
3, also 1.
Okay. Now, Olivia, what am I doing? So if I got so if I got 100, one more. How many? 4 ones. So if I add those two, what's this one considered, Amy? What would you say?
That was considered
A 10?
Yeah. And then plus the one, or the stick.
It's considered the ones? And your answer is 11. Is that making more sense? What we're doing, we're distributing it out. All we're doing is starting with the divisor, then the quotient, and we're distributing it out. Hold it.
Why wouldn't you get 4 of them?
Are you saying? So right here, we're just breaking apart this number here. That's all we're doing right now. The divisor, you're just breaking this apart. Apart first. Your divisor. Then you're going to add it all up to break apart the quotient. So this is 100. These are your 10s. And here's your 1s. And it adds up to 144. So when you go back to get your answer, all you're doing is looking at this one part of that 100. Just looking at one part of it. So it's 10, and you're just looking at one part of this. And that's a 1.